In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix auto scroll function missing on TikTok. So first things first, head over to the TikTok app. Once you're on the TikTok app, head over to your profile, then tap on the three lines in the top right and go to settings and privacy. Once there, go ahead and find the report a problem. So go ahead and tap on that. It may take time to load. Now what we need to do is go ahead and scroll down to find a submit a report. Now in this section we have to type in those details that our TikTok has been missing the auto scroll option, and you just have to provide a screenshot and also a video recording regarding the missing feature, and once done, hit on submit and they will get back to you as soon as they can. And that's all for now folks, thanks for watching.